Hello everyone, I am Patan Altaf Ayub and welcome to my YouTube channel is Study Academy. Here I am come with the new topic that is lots of research is going on this topic, that is multi-level inverter and its type. This paper is actually made in IEEE format by me and my project group members during BTech, and the purpose of making this paper is to understand what are the types of multi-level inverters uh, and how their waveform is obtained, and what are their total harmonic distortions is obtained. These all are the analytical study we had done in the MATLAB simulation software. So may be a main question, that is why multi-level inverter. Okay, here you can see. So basically our inverters that is in our home, suppose there is a main supply from the utility side is turned off, and your all the appliances into the home is shifted on the inverter, but you notice that there is a noise come from that fan is due to the distorted waveform obtained from the inverter. Means your inverter's output is not pure one, that's why that fan gives us noise, and it may damages the fan also. That's why people are now going towards the multi-level inverter. Multi-level inverter is comes due to the moderation or fastly increasing in the power electronic field technologies. That's why the multi-level inverter concept is obtained. So here you can see the just what I was taught you, that is written here. And going to that, let me introduce with the multi-level inverter technologies. So there are multi-level inverters which are multi-level inverter means we are having a number of levels at output waveform, and as the number of levels of output waveform goes on increasing, your sinusoidal waveform gets smoother one, and that's why output of this inverter is pure one, not pure also, but it is near to our pure sinusoidal waveform that is generated in the generating station from that generator or alternator. Okay, so now first let's see what are the types of multi-level inverter. Okay, so multi-level inverters are classified into two types, that is a single source multi-level inverter, not this, actually it is a yes, means a single source multi-level inverter and multi-source multi-level inverter. In single source multi-level inverter we had two types, that is diode clamp multi-level inverter and flying capacitor multi-level inverter. And in multi-source inverter we have again two types, that is symmetrical H bridge multi-level inverter and asymmetrical H bridge multi-level inverter. So here you can also see that there is a concept of multi-level inverter. The multi-level inverter is a power electronics device that is capable of generating high voltage waveform. Here it generates the high voltage waveform from low voltage input waveform. Okay, here you can read that in multi-level inverter we deal with the multiple levels of voltages, that is more than two levels, so that the output waveform obtained is smooth. Now let's go to the first type of multi-level inverter, that is H bridge multi-level inverter. The H bridge multi-level inverter is belong to the multi-source multi-level inverter family, means we are having a multiple sources at a input. Here you can see that multiple sources we are having at a input, and based on this H bridge multi-level inverter is classified into again two types. This is one H bridge, this is another H bridge. Here you can see two H bridges, and here it is having a input. Suppose this input having a same value, means 5 volt and 5 volt, then it is called as a symmetrical H bridge multi-level inverter, and if not, then it is a asymmetrical H bridge multi-level inverter. Now suppose I have to design a 5-level multi-level inverter, then how many cells I needed? This cell can be calculated by using the formula, that is a 2n plus 1. Suppose I want to get a 5 level at a input, means 2 into n plus 1. So what is the value of n then? it is obviously 2. Then 2 into 2 is 4, 4 plus 1, that is a 5. Then we can get the 5 level of H-bridge multi-level inverter. 5 level means at a output, in output waveform we are getting a 5 levels. Okay, I show you how that 5 levels is looks like actually. And this is another table where you can calculate how much components you needed in H-bridge multi-level inverter. Okay, here each cell, this is called as a one cell, this is another cell. Each cell provides certain value of voltage, and based on that we are going to multiple levels. Suppose cell number 1 gives in 5 volt, cell number 2 gives another 5 volt, and combinedly they two are giving a 10 volt. Means 5 volt from this is one level, 5 volt from this is another level, and 10 volt from both are another level, and 0 0 is the initial level. I show you in the waveform. Wait. Okay, so this is the waveform of H-bridge multi-level inverter. Here you can see initially you can see. Okay, just wait. Okay, this is one level, that is 0 level. This is 5 volt level, that is voltage from first cell. This is second level, means combinedly voltage of both the cells, that is 10 volt. Now this is second, first, second, third, and there is fourth level, that is 5 volt from lower cell, and again to the 0, means 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 and 5. Here you can get the 5 levels of H-bridge multi-level inverter. Okay, so whatever I taught you, it is written here, that is a theory, you can see that. And this is what about the MATLAB simulation of the same H-bridge multi-level inverter, and here are certain advantages and disadvantages of the same. Talking about the advantages, TSD is relatively less than other topologies of multi-level inverters. TSD means total harmonic distortion is less, obviously, then efficiency is high. Clamping diode and flying capacitor are not needed here. Means in the next video lecture series, I am going to introduce you how diode clamp and flying capacitor multi-level inverter works. Okay, this point we can cover in the next video lecture. And these are the some disadvantages, means separately DC volt source is required for each H-bridge. Then application are limited due to number of sources requirement being high. Number of sources means at a input it requires a number of sources. Okay, so up till now we cover what title of my paper, a preferable multi-level inverter, means comprehensive study. And in this paper finally we are going to conclude one multi-level inverter which is best one. Okay, into the next video lecture series we are going to conclude that one also. So up till now we cover the introduction of H-bridge multi-level inverter. Okay, history of multi-level inverter, then first type, that is H-bridge multi-level inverter, its circuit, its simulation, and its waveform, its advantage and its disadvantage. So friends, in next video lecture I am going to introduce you with the diode clamp and flying capacitor multi-level inverter. Till then, stay connected with my channel Easy Study Academy. If you not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe, press the bell icon, and if you like it, then please like the video, and if you have any question, then put it into the comment box. Thank you for watching.